next time. Let us continue with our discussion on Rule 1960.
Okay, sir.
We will discuss Rule 1061 and Rule 1062. For the construction and maintenance in Rule 1061, all buildings, permanent or temporary, shall be structurally safe and sound to prevent their collapse. Roof shall be of sufficient strength to withstand normal load, typhoons and strong winds in addition to normal weather conditions, and where required to carry suspended loads. Foundations and floors shall be of sufficient strength to sustain safely the loads for which they are designed, and under no condition shall they be overloaded. Plans for proposed new construction and alterations or substantial repairs of buildings shall be submitted to the building official for examination and approval.
This is noted, sir. Actually, we have an ongoing construction of our warehouse expansion, and it was inspected and approved already by the building officials.
Cool! Now for Rule 1062, the space requirement. Workrooms shall be at least 2.7 meters in height from the floor to the ceiling. Where the rooms are air-conditioned and the process allows free movement, existing heights of not less than 2.4 meters may be allowed.
Our existing QA laboratory, sir, has a ceiling height of 2.4 meters only, so it's okay then.
Yes, you are right. The laboratory is air-conditioned, thus, it's okay for a 2.4 ceiling height as prescribed by the standard. Next, the maximum number of persons employed in a workroom area shall not exceed 1 person per 11.5 cubic meters. In calculating the area, no deductions shall be made for benches or other furniture, machinery, or materials, but heights exceeding 3 meters shall not be included.
We are compliant to this, sir. Because currently, we have increased the distance among workers. It is in compliance also with the requirement on physical distance as required under the Prevention and Control on the Transmission of COVID-19 in the Workplace.
Excellent. And lastly, adequate spaces shall be provided between machinery or equipment to allow normal operation, maintenance or repair and free flow of materials under process or in finished form. Passageways between machinery or equipment shall not be less than 24 inches.
Noted, sir. We have already markings in our areas to clearly identify the spaces provided for. Nonetheless, we will conduct an inspection in all areas to ensure that we have not overlooked any area.
Great! We need to ensure that we're doing it right, to ensure that on top of being compliant with the standard, our workplace is always safe and healthy. I think it's time for our lunch break. Let us have our break and we will continue after lunch.
Yes, sir, and thank you.